Right, students. So let's start with glycosaminoglycan. I want you to note down this word GAG, glycosaminoglycan. See, two times you are having this word glycosaminoglycan. Okay. So in bracket it is written mucopolysaccharides. Don't forget. This is a specialized polysaccharide which are a linear polymer of repeating disaccharides. I will be explaining about it, don't worry, but first all of you should see the structure. Oh my god, seems very complex now. So, but I hope that I have discussed both of them in my sugar derivative class. I have discussed about N-acetyl glucosamine, and if you see hyaluronate drawn over here, seems somewhat not very difficult, but carboxylate ion, which I have shown you in case of sialic acid, okay, that is N-acetyl neuraminate. So just a position of carboxylate is being attached over here, that's it. So this is, glucuronate. You have studied about glucuronic acid yesterday. If you don't forget, position number 6 was having carboxylic group. Look at this sugar, this is position number 6 and H has been removed as a proton. So the whatever is being left, due to that we call it as glucuronate, right, and also called as hyaluronate, and I will explain about it. It is an association of this in hyaluronate, and then it is associating with N-acetyl glucosamine. I have discussed about N-acetyl glucosamine also. So glycosaminoglycan are the polymers of these repeating disaccharides which I have shown here of hyaluronate and N-acetyl glucosamine. Yes, these constituents monosaccharides, it can be modified with acidic group, amino group, sulfated hydroxyl group, etc., etc. It always tends to be negatively charged because of the presence of negative charge molecules, right. Okay, so I will be moving on to the next one. So hyaluronate, which I have just shown you in the previous slide, it is a glycosaminoglycan with a repeating disaccharide consisting of two glucose derivatives, which is glucuronate and N-acetyl glucosamine. So you can see hyaluronate over here, one is glucuronate, one is N-acetyl glucosamine, right. So this is a glycosaminoglycan, which is, I hope you might be getting confused. Hyaluronate is a glycosaminoglycan, fine. It is consisting of repeating unit of disaccharides. What are those disaccharides? Glucuronate and N-acetyl glucosamine, fine. And the glycosidic linkages are beta 1,3 and beta 1,4. You can see over here, beta 1,3 is easily visible and beta 1,4 is also easily visible, okay. So hyaluronate is one such specialized polysaccharide which is a glycosaminoglycan, okay. Now proteoglycans is another glycosaminoglycan. One is hyaluronate, one is proteoglycans. So proteoglycans, what are those? They are glycosaminoglycans which are linked to serine residue of core proteins because they are associated with protein. So which definitely when protein is being discussed, amino acid must also be discussed. Serine is an amino acid, right. So serine is linked to the proteoglycans. So this linkage is through means serine residue about this proteoglycan. So the glycosaminoglycan chain is actually synthesized by sequential addition of sugar. So add hota rehta hai sugar and it keeps on adding to the core proteins, that leads to the formation of proteoglycans, okay. So I will be discussing about this proteoglycans more in my zoomed out sessions, okay. Till then just go through this uploaded presentation.